Hi students, exercise 11.2, fifth question. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Then construct tangent to each circle. Now first draw 8 cm circle. So first line AB of length 8 centimeter line segment. So this is A and B, totally this is 8 centimeter. Now see the second line of your question. A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Now measure 4 centimeter. Now this is 4 centimeter measurement. Taking A as a center. Now this is A as a center. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter circle. Second, B as a center, then radius 3 centimeter circle. Now consider B as a center, measure 3 centimeter. Now I am measuring 3 centimeter radius. B as a center. This is 3 centimeter circle. Now this is radius 3 centimeter small circle. Now we need a tangents from this A and B. Okay, if you consider A as a circle, B as outside point, then you can draw two tangents. Okay. Now perpendicular bisector, we need perpendicular bisector of length AB. So measure more than half of the line AB. Draw arcs. Then without changing a compass measurement, B as a point, draw the arcs like this. Now join the points. Now this perpendicular bisector of AB which intersect AB as a point O. Now you have a new intersection point O. Consider O as a center. Consider O as a center. Then OA as a radius. Okay. But see OA also 4 centimeter. Now consider O as a center, OA as a radius. Draw a new circle. For the difference I am making a dotted lines, but you can draw a new circle, complete circle like this. Now consider only the first circle, 4 centimeter circle, the new circle. These two circles are intersecting these 2 points. Okay. you can consider this is S and T. Join the points B and S. Now these 2 points are the tangent of the circle A, 4 centimeter circles. Okay, these 2 tangents have the same length. Again, just consider the small circle, 3 centimeter circle, the new circle. It intersects the points P and Q. We can consider P and Q. Now these are the 2 tangents from the point A. B is a small circle 3 centimeter, A is outside point. Now you can draw again 2 tangents from these 2 points. Okay, I will connect later, but first I solve the justification of the 4 centimeter circle. Okay, for justification, to measure the tangent length we need a triangle. Now I am taking a triangle SAB. Okay, this triangle ASB. Now AS perpendicular to BS. AS is a radius, BS is a tangent. Okay, now AS we know it's a radius of the small circle, so 4 centimeter circle radius. Okay, AB is the hypotenuse. AB length we know that is totally 8 centimeter. Now we can easily measure BS measurement. By Pythagoras theorem you can write this is hypotenuse. So AB squared equal AS square plus BS square. Remaining 2 sides. AB 8 centimeter 8 square. AS 4 centimeter 4 square. BS we don't know. Now 8 8s are 64, 4 4s are 16, 4 square, BS square. So BS squared equal 64 minus 6. Okay, now BS equal BS square equal 48. Now we can take a square root of 48. 2, 24, then 1, 2, 2, 6, 2, then 3. Okay, so instead of 2 we can take 2 2's outside, remaining 3. Okay, so BS equal 2 cross 2 root 3. Okay, so 4 root 3 centimeter. BS equal 4 root 3 centimeter. Now the tangent BS 4 root 3 centimeter. Therefore BT also similarly 4 root 3 centimeter. Both tangents have the same length. Okay, now I will join the second circle, 3 centimeter circle tangents. Okay, already we noted the intersection points. Now A is the outside point. Connect the points A and P. Then AQ. So now AP, AQ are the new 2 tangents. Now these 2 tangents have a same length. Okay, now we can solve the justification. Now again we need a triangle. Now we can join the points B and P. Okay, so BP is the radius of a 3 centimeter circle, so this is also 3 centimeter. Now I am taken the triangle BAP. Okay, now BP perpendicular AP, because we know this is 90 degree, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. This is hypotenuse again, so AB squared equal AP square plus BP square. AB 8 squared, AP squared, that is we don't know, that is our tangent. AP squared, BP squared 3 squared. Okay, 64 equal AP squared plus 9. So 64 minus 9 AP squared. You can rearrange, we need AP squared value only. Now AP squared equal 55. So AP, we can't take square root exactly, so root 55 centimeter. So AP, this tangent length root 55 centimeter. So this is also AQ also root 55 centimeter. Thank you.